Hello, my name is Susan Deniz Thacher, and this is my math mock lesson for the Breakthrough Collaborative Teaching application. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ms. Thacher.
Can I get a thumbs up from everyone who's feeling good today? Thank you. Looks like everyone's doing great. Today our lesson will cover two-step equations. Does anybody know what that is, or can anyone give a guess? Sassy.
2x equals 2.
Very close, but no cigar. That's what we like to call a one-step equation, because there's only one step to find the variable. A two-step equation is something a little bit more difficult, but we'll start out with a simple problem. Let's start out with 2x minus 1 equals 1. Now, to solve this problem, some people may argue that you need to use the order of operations, but that isn't always the case. But let's start solving it by using the order of operations. Can anybody remember what that is or tell me the euphemism for that? Sheila.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
And do you remember what all those first letters stand for?
Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.
Excellent, thank you. Now, let's solve that by using exactly what Sheila just told us. Would anyone like to try the first step? Amanda. Thank you for volunteering. There you go.
Like that?
Now let's think about what Sheila had told us. Remember, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division. So, is there anything we can multiply or divide before we start adding?
The 2?
Yes. And perfect. You remembered that the golden rule in math is when you do one thing to one side, you do it to the other. But I like to call that the butterfly concept, because if you see a butterfly, what is on one side is imprinted on the other side. Now, what's our next step, Amanda?
These 2 cancel.
Perfect. And what are we left with? Good. You remembered to bring the 2 down. Now, what's our next step?
Add this one?
Yes, correct. Our answer is perfect. Thank you so much. Please return to your seat. Now, some kids don't know, and they worry if the answer is not in the back of the book, then they don't know if they got the answer correct. So to check this, it's very simple. We just take whatever we got as the answer and plug it right back into here. Would you guys like me to show you an example of this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we have 2, and then what was x?
1.
Thank you. Minus 1 equals 1. So 2 times 1 is?
2.
Minus 1 equals 1. So then we have 1 equals 1. So that justifies that we got our answer correct. Would you like me to show another example before we move on? Maybe a little bit more difficult?
No, I think we got it.
Would you like another example, Sheila?
No.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.
Thank you, Ms. Thacher.
Ms. Thacher.